Hi, I'm Jared Haslam, Vice President of Product and Services Planning here at Nissan North America. My team and I are the voice of the customer, and our job is to know what Nissan customers want and work to make sure their voices are heard in the products we create. For 35 years, Pathfinder has been one of Nissan's best known and most loved models, so customers have a lot to say. We've taken their feedback to heart while developing the 2022 Pathfinder, which is all new from the ground up. The all-new Pathfinder is just right for a generation of outdoor enthusiasts who are ready for adventure, who seek power, comfort, connectivity, and safety. Let me show you how, starting with the pairing of the standard 284 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6, and an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission. You'll feel a dramatic improvement the very moment you first hit the gas pedal. This new dynamic combination provides smooth and direct access to power whenever you need it. It just feels confident and strong. Pathfinder's intelligent four-wheel drive system has a new 7-position drive and terrain mode selector, including snow, sand, and mud settings, helping you tackle adventures with even more confidence. The drive and terrain mode selector also features a tow mode when you want to take advantage of Pathfinder's best-in-class 6,000-pound towing capacity. And our Pathfinder customers do tow a lot. To help them, trailer sway control is standard on every single Pathfinder. That'll give you more confidence when towing boats, ATVs, campers, or trailers. And a completely new electric power steering system provides confident handling with that sporty Nissan feel that our customers love. Of course, wherever your adventures lead, you want to stay connected. When we spoke to Pathfinder owners, we looked at what they were expecting when it comes to connectivity, driver assistance, and safety technologies. We're delivering them our best, including Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink, which takes some of the stress out of driving, especially in heavy traffic or on long road trips. A large, fully customizable digital dashboard, as well as a new head-up display to help keep the driver's eyes on the road. And for both drivers and passengers, a large 9-inch center touchscreen display, giving access to the standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Available wireless Apple CarPlay and Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as a Bose premium audio system with 13 speakers. And wherever you go, in town or on a long, far-flung adventure, you want to find your way safely home. We've made Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes the most sought-after safety features standard across the lineup. Plus, the all-new Pathfinder offers standard, class-exclusive, intelligent forward collision warning that can sense one car ahead of the vehicle in front of you. This brief introduction just scratches the surface of this thrilling to drive, rugged, all-new 2022 Pathfinder, which goes on sale this summer.
Hi everybody, this is the Nissan Pathfinder. It's got a bold new look, more power, more room, more capability, and more advanced tech. Being a Nissan, it's also got a lot of smart solves built in. Let's check them out. If you're planning an adventure, the first question is, can I get there? So Nissan spec the Pathfinder to take on just about anything. Under the hood is a powerful V6, backed with tech that tackles the terrain and lets you bring all the toys. And to make sure Pathfinder can handle your adventures, Nissan engineers tested it in some of the most challenging places on the planet, like Michigan's freezing Upper Peninsula, to test its grip on snow and ice, the burning hot Arizona desert, and some of the most rugged off-roading spots in Moab. Getting where you're going? Solved. Pathfinder's not just an off-road beast. It's got brains too, like a power tailgate. You just have to kick underneath the bumper to get it open. Perfect when your hands are full, but a lot of these tailgates can be fussy. You have to do it just right. Nissan made it easier. Just about any leg motion will work. Nice. Nissan gives you this cool trunk in a trunk, a storage bin under the floor. It's perfect for wet and muddy gear. It's even easy to clean. It's even a smart place to keep valuables out of sight. Game day? You've got room for up to 8. So if the team needs a ride, no problem. But not all SUVs are created equal. Nissan designed the rear cargo space specifically to fit one of these monsters. Big road trip? Nissan's got you. Check out how easy this is. Just drop down the 3rd row. And you can carry all these bags. Drop the 2nd row and look what fits. Notice how flat the walls are. No wheel wells poking out. They're maximizing every inch of space. They even carpeted these areas to keep your cargo area from looking like a beat-up truck bed. And you've got 4 tie-downs, built right into the wall to help keep cargo from sliding around. Great when you're doing that big DIY project or just getting that big screen home. Nissan even maxed out the storage up front. Check this out. This is a great place to keep things like tissues, gloves, or small bags out of the way, but still within reach. What about loading everyone in? Most SUVs let you in without a key, but you have to unlock the front door first, no matter which door you want. On Pathfinder, the rear doors feature their own remote unlock button. Just grab it and you're in. The rear doors open wide. And if you've ever had to put in a child seat, you know how helpful this is. So Nissan invented EasyFlex that lets you do this with a single touch, even with a child seat in place. It also works great to let you out of the 3rd row. Playdates? Pathfinder now has EasyFlex on both sides, and there's a latch anchor in the 3rd row for a child seat too. And if you have 2nd row bench seating, you can even mount a child seat in the middle, which leaves room for adults on either side. Also new for Pathfinder are these 2nd row captain's chairs. Super comfortable. Nissan even reshaped the front row seat backs to give you more legroom. So, stretch out. There's a convenient center console, great for gaming devices, headphones, and snacks. And you can take it out with one hand. No tools required. Just cruise through to the 3rd row. Nissan made sure everyone isn't just comfortable, they're connected too. You can DJ from literally any seat with wireless Apple CarPlay. This is really cool. I send it from my phone, and it goes here. And have you ever seen gauges do this? Tech exactly where you want it. Capable, comfortable, and loaded with smart solves, the Pathfinder is more than ready for adventure. Are you?